Ayan, and a performer and recording artist for this night. So tonight marked a milestone in Philippine musical theater, the official launch, the musical, The Mudifa and the Beast. A story that celebrates every woman's courage to dream, to fight, and to rise above challenges. Before we begin, let us take a moment to acknowledge and thank our distinguished guests, the VIPs, and members of the media who are with us tonight. We would like to recognize and extend our heartfelt appreciation and friends from the media whose continued support brings Filipino artistry and stories. First, the Philippine Daily Inquirer. Amadis Guerrero. From the ABS-CBNnews.com, Leia Salterio. From Malaya Business Insight, Jared Carlo Echeverria. From Philippines Graphic, Von Zyron Alemoro. And from Broadway World Philippines, Oliver Oliveros. And from Oski.net, Omar Itan. From Business World, Bronte Laksaman. And from Balabastayo.com, Amil Mendoza. And from TeatroPinas.com, AXL Ginto. From Happening PH, Camilo Villanueva. And we also thank Sir Toots Tolentino for his invaluable media coordination and Ms. Neb Muescan for her continued support and presence tonight. And a warm welcome as to all artists, partners, and friends who join us to celebrate this milestone.